So, Saturday, June 7th, and Dad is just doing a little welding here today, not too much. We actually haven't done much of anything here in the last week. We went out to Edmonton for my niece's graduation, and it's been so smoky here, it's almost unbearable to work in this condition. So what have you been doing here?
Well, I drilled holes in here.
Yeah.
And like I had all clamped, plug welded.
Yeah.
And now I got one more to go here.
Okay.
And then
put the door back on.
This door will fit up like this.
Yeah.
And I got to put the hinges on, weld the hinges on yet.
Okay. So that's all Dad's been working on here. I'm going to apologize now, guys. You missed a couple days of videos just because really the content was just more of the same here. I'm going to rush home here at the end of this. I just had a quick tea and fed the dogs and whatnot. So the animal's been left alone for a couple of days. Got to clean up the seats here. The cat's been sleeping there at night. But yeah, Aiden was doing a lot of sanding here. And he started on the doors back here last week. Aiden's got a quick other job out in the valley right now, and then he's going to come back and he's going to finish this off. And everything's got to be really sanded down. One of the things that we did pick up when we were out in Alberta was Dad got the priming paint for this machine. And if there's any primer left over, obviously we're going to use it on the muskeg tractor. But Dad got himself a new drill or something here.
Yeah, that's right.
No, it's right here. And I guess he needs a different battery for it. But yeah, there's not too much going on here, guys. It's still very, very smoky out there. When we were driving back from, when we left here that night, they were posting some pretty apocalyptic photos online. Right now, on this date, Flin Flon is still evacuated. Half of Denair Beach has been burned down. Multiple fires have merged into one. And it's still pretty dodgy around here. And all that smoke is blowing into the south here. So air quality index is kind of horrible right now. And I think there's 17,000 people that have been evacuated. So yeah, it's not exactly conducive to working in a closed shop with this air quality, but it's a little better today, so Dad's going to do that. And yeah, the reason for opening up the front here is so that you got front panel access. Dad still obviously has to put in the power steering for the customer and work on a bunch of stuff up there. Nothing else going on here, guys. We haven't done anything with the muskeg tractor at all. And it's hopefully going to rain here tonight, and we'll get some reprieve from all the smoke in the air. And it's going to rain into tomorrow. So hopefully that cleans out the air a little bit and makes it a little easier to work. So that is your shop update. And so slow days at the shop right now, but Dad's doing what he can, and Aiden is going to be back tomorrow, I think. So we'll see you on the next video. Oh, and my old Charles in charge, hey? Old dogs. Just so old and worn out. And there's my Filipino Emily. And our Nina Pinta Santa Maria. Holy shit, there's something in this pipe down here. My dogs are barking at it and they're squealing and hauling the pipe around. Even the neighbor's dogs came by to see what the hell's going on. Oh my God. So much activity. What's going on? Do you want some help? I can haul that pipe out. I brought the pipe up to the road so they can find out what's going on here. Jeez. What the hell, eh? Who knew that one pipe could give so much joy to 4 dogs or 5 dogs? Okay, drag it to the shop then if you don't want it. These guys are funny. Oh, to be a dog on this farm, eh?